all the stuff and then bring it out. Oop, yeah, you did puncture some of that.
That's alright.
Tarp.
I can stay in there, I won't do anything.
That's right, true. Transferring the lettuce. Do it. Okay. Now this is going to be a little bit more tricky. These swish individual. You know what I might do is just
that?
I need to take these out, don't I?
Okay, yeah, you just like this. If you take a knife, you can cut these off, or they snap off.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
There you go. There you go. Now remember, you gotta kind of fluff that out a little bit. Just kind of.
Chard number one. Here. This is Swiss chard.
Swiss chard.
I plan on spacing these out too. Just not right now. They're just too small to just go at it. I'm gonna plant these individually. Let me just squat down like this. Pull it out. Oh baby, look at the roots on that thing. Okay. Let me set this down. All these worms in here too are gonna help keep everything nice and not dead. Bombad clinkers, as Jar Jar Binks would say. Alright. Now we just got this one in the foam. This foam works surprisingly well. I'm happy with that. I think I might just start all my stuff in this foam now. I'm gonna wash my hands in the hydroponics. Dissolve the minerals. Alrighty. This'll do. So, hydroponics. Let hydroponic lettuce all nice and delicious. If it rains, then I don't have to come out here. That's fine. These aren't going to break anything. And the soil, you know, it's soil. It doesn't matter if it gets wet. This, however, I will move. You know what? If it rains, it rains. Whatever. It's fine. Alright, all this stuff, nutrients. Okay. Good chow. My little, messy garden. Very messy. You know what? Who said it had to be all organized and stuff? Nobody. That ought to do it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.